Greetings from Morro de São Paulo.
But wait, there's something called Morro in São Paulo. No, there's not. There might be. But we're talking about a small city on a not so big island in the northeast of Brazil. And it's not even in the state of São Paulo, it's actually in Bahia. And what exactly are we doing here?
Today we're doing a boat ride around the island here. It's gonna be super fun, and it's gonna be Luca's first time having lobster as well.
Lobster, yeah.
So
lobster.
a lot of fun things planned.
Stay tuned. Okay. By the way, guys, this is my POV.
Like color correcting. The best view.
Like mangroves.
Mars. Called the monkey. So basically what we're doing is we're going on a round trip between around the island of Tinharé. This stop here is Garapuá. There are a lot of like natural pools in the region, but we're in the more exclusive area, closer to the coast, closer to Mangue, that beautiful tree over there, and then we can just like hop off the water and explore.
I wonder why he's so alone. Like, where are others?
Where are the others? Where are the others?
Count as a jump.
Look how clear the water is. How beautiful.
Morro Guaçapu.
No. Cut. Garapuá.
Garapuá. If you text him, you don't answer for 2 hours, you get discount. And then you pay 550 per person. Oh, maybe you're gonna see the drone footage because there's a drone. I'm gonna check the footage later to see if there's fish.
But that being said, with this will of his to see fish, he needs to start diving. Scuba diving. Proper scuba diving.
Yes.
That way he doesn't need to go and like snorkel places to find fish, he can actually dive for it. The most Brazilian thing about Lucoca? That's too funny.
Yeah, that's weird nature, right? If you look closely, except for the music, hopefully there's no copyright strike.
You can hear a shake. Is that a rattlesnake?
You know what it is in Brazil? That means caipirinha.
The most dangerous animal. Someone after drinking caipis. Opa! Muito obrigada!
What is it?
Very good. Very sour. Look, Kaka was so smart. He left her caipirinha on the boat, and the boat drifted away.
Someone is angry for not getting their alcohol minutely intake. No, I'm calculating. This caipirinha is gonna end up in my hand. I'm not moving at all. Ooh, it worked out perfectly. Next stop, Moré.
Moreré.
Morere.
Moreré.
Aqui já é
We're around an archipelagus of islands. This is Boipeba. It's another island now, so it's Moreré, the beach of Moreré in Boipeba.
And I know you thought I was playing when you read it. But just look. And yeah, I was excited as fuck, but I'm not sure why it doesn't show on my face. Wow.
Gente,
Never
demais.
seen dolphins before.
My footage is better. Chocada. Gente, que lindo! I've never seen dolphins here. Octopuses, yes.
Backflip.
3, 2, 1. Happy now?
You arrived here. This is so beautiful. Hold it next to your
Look at
head.
the size of this.
The heli. It's huge.
Look, Kaka holding lobsters. Good job, babe.
The heli.
Look at that. Ooh,
Hold it.
so good. Quer segurar?
Tem que perguntar a doutora lá, vai lá apresentar. Ó o cardápio aqui.
Chapei. Esse é o com banana, muito bom.
Vou colocar esse aqui por baixo, tá? Ah, bom você falar que ontem.
Que ontem.
Deu uma lapada no
Você exagerou na
tomate ali.
pimentinha.
Dá gosto, é?
Tudo lagosta.
Um é com banana e o outro é o com...
Toma,
Uma com
vem.
banana e outra na...
How is it?
So good.
Bom?
What is this? What's the difference?
Butter,
Butter?
banana.
Banana. Okay.
Uhum.
Wow.
Wow.
It's better.
It's good.
It's very good.
Very
Good
good.
food.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Wow.
Approved?
We have muito approved.
Muito approved.
Wow, it's really good. It's like way softer than I thought.
You're gonna try pirão.
Pirão? Isso. Is it fish or like what's in
Yeah,
there?
it's like fish sauce, but like thickened with farinha.
Okay.
Like it?
I like it, yeah.
It's supposed to be like a
You don't like it?
extra. I do.
Okay. This is the banana
It's the banana.
lobster.
Banana lobster. Look how it like just melts on your fork. It's crazy. Yeah?
Tô pra te falar que eu gostei mais com banana do que...
Exatamente. É chocante, né?
This is very good, yeah.
Very good. Which one do you like best?
bom.
Banana?
I think this one.
Butter one? Yes.
But they're both good. Like
They're both
this
good.
one tastes more like lobster.
Ô, William, isso é
Butter
o com mel que ele fala?
lobster.
Que ele fala?
Honey
Ele
lobster.
pisa?
É, honey lobster.
Sai, mosquito.
I don't know, do you think?
Ficou?
E você pediu não, a pessoa errada se ofereceu pra tirar foto.
I don't
Parabéns,
smoke
isso mesmo.
in 31 days.
Bom demais.
31 days. I'm food very much.
Okay.
Very muita coisa.
É normal.
Ah,
I'm
sim.
very eat.
É que você compensa
Você ganha
peso.
de
Muito peso.
Honey lobster?
honey lobster. Is it much different?
Pirão, ela falou com ele.
Bom?
Que olho bonito da porra.
It's much
Bonito o
sweeter,
olho,
right?
né?
Maybe
Good?
about its head.
Which one do you like the most?
I think the butter.
Butter one?
Yeah.
I really like this one. I think this might be the favorite.
Really?
So good.
I feel like you normally don't like honey.
I normally don't, but with lobster I do.
After this, the boat tour actually stops at a floating bar. We didn't go on it, but here's what it looks like. The floating bar. We didn't go on. So, we arrived back at Morro de São Paulo when the sun was setting, right after we fell asleep for a couple of hours. And then it was time to eat dinner. Okay. Forgot to film the end of the trip. But this is how the day ends. This is for dinner.
After a nap and ice cream.
With Ricardo.
We're staying on the third beach, and this is just in the beginning of the island. So we walked all the way here to Bahia to get ice cream.
What's the place called, do you know?
Bahia.
Bahia? Ah, okay.
Baiane.
Bayenne. I have the strawberry. Let's give it a good lick. I like it. It's without milk, the strawberry one. This is a good end to the vlog.
Like, subscribe, hit the notifications on to see more of Lukaku's adventures.
Yes, what she said. Pound it, noggin. See ya.